Most people think you need fancy cameras and a flashy personality to make it on YouTube. But what if you could go from zero to something, without all that? Let me show you my behind-the-scenes journey. First, I picked a niche I'm genuinely obsessed with, because if you love your topic, you'll never run out of ideas. I brainstormed simple, value-packed video ideas that solve real problems or answer burning questions people actually have. No face? No problem. I'm using voiceovers, screen recordings, and free stock footage to tell my story. For editing, I stick with free apps. Nothing fancy, just clean cuts and captions to keep it watchable. Every upload, I focus on killer titles and thumbnails. Seriously, they matter. And I join communities, Reddit, Discord, anywhere my audience hangs out, to share my videos and actually help people. It's slow at first, but each small win builds momentum. If you're just starting, remember, you don't need a budget or even your face, just the guts to hit publish. Follow along to see how far I can take this. Smack the like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos like this one.